Hey, thank you for tuning in. Hot Off the Wheels here. In this video, we're gonna go into this box right here, and inside this box is, guess what? Another box with 72-piece Hot Wheels right here for 2020. So I hope you'll stick around. Let's get into the video. I think should be some nice castings in here, and hopefully maybe show you something you haven't seen or something you're maybe looking for in the stores. But let's get to it. All right, all right. Didn't lose too many peanuts there. There we have it right there. All right, well, let's go ahead and crack the seal. There it is right there. Hot Wheels 2020 M case, all 72 cards. We're gonna take a look at real quick. Probably not gonna open anything on the channel today, just to keep the video relatively short. But hopefully you'll stick around and enjoy the cards, and hopefully you're able to find these in stores. A lot of stores are already dropping. You know, especially if you're in the U.S., you're on the West Coast, you may have already, you might already be on the P or Q or something by now. But here in the South, we just recently got M through P, so they seem to be all dropping at once. So anyways, I figured order a case and see what kind of luck we can have. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Let's get to it. All right, well, I definitely hope you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully you're able to find these 2020 Hot Wheels MKs in the store if you haven't already done so. Mine are dropping right now in a lot of the stores, even up to PKs. So I've been finding. So your super for this case would have been the 65 Ford Galaxy here. This is the mainline version. Unfortunately, we did not find a super in our case, but that's not uncommon. So a little sad, but it is what it is. It's still fun to go through. So be on the lookout for the super. There's not a huge difference, but I'll put a picture right next to this one so you'll kind of have an idea of what to look for. So hopefully you're able to find that in stores soon. But and then the treasure hunt for the case is the Tricera truck right here, and you can find the treasure hunt symbol and the spots on the back side right here. If my camera will focus, there you go, right there. You've got the little Hot Wheels flame circle logo right there, as well as you can you can kind of make out a little bit of you found a treasure hunt lettering right here, and then the symbol is on the back side of the card stock, right behind the Hot Wheel right there. You can see a little bit of the circle. So that's your treasure hunt if you're interested in the Tricera truck, and hopefully you're able to find that, or you're able to have even better luck and find the super for the case. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching.